Well, 1 year's complete of a 5-year program, and I'm now looking at going into my second year as an apprentice plumber. And I wanted to kind of share the difference now of entering into the commercial remodel industry, because there's so many different avenues um, that can take place with this career choice. Seeing now that people have worked their way up into being a foreman to general foreman to superintendent to project managers to um, moving on into overseeing schools and different facilities with their plumbing license. Um, it's such a versatile career that when I've seen people invest in the skill and the trade, that career can open up to many more um, possibilities that I wasn't aware of what it could lead to. And you can even get into the CAD department, finding out that you could end up becoming, doing drawings for engineers and making, blueprints and the new technology that's coming out in the commercial industry, or just in the, I guess you could say, the construction world. It's exciting. I think if you, again, if I can speak to those that are looking for a good career and a good environment to be in terms of pushing yourself and working with your hands and learning what it means to have something new to focus on, having different challenges and having new experiences and different job sites, and really learning what it means to be a small part of making the world go round. I think it adds a lot more to your life than simply a paycheck. And um, I know it can be sound so cliche, but um, when you don't sense that you're necessarily, yeah, it's work, but when you sense that when you go to work, there's such more satisfaction in just doing the work instead of having to like show up to a job. I think there's, I don't know, you can't really put a price on that, and it's been really enjoying. It's been really fulfilling, I should say, to be in this first year and to be so new and fresh, and now having a little bit of experience now under my belt. I'm looking forward to what it means to progress and hopefully take on some more responsibility. And yeah, I hope that you guys continue to either research or make the right choice for you. Take care.